Hello and welcome to my channel. Pakistan continues to shock or surprise its arch rival India, and especially in defense deals or defense purchases. Recently, Pakistan has inducted Chinese attack helicopters, which are commonly known as Z-10ME. I don't know what Z-10 stands for, but ME means modernization export. Pakistan's Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir, in a recently held ceremony, inducted these helicopters into Pakistan's Army's Aviation Corps. Not only this, but Pakistan Army's Chief Field Marshal, I'm sorry, now he's Field Marshal. Field Marshal Asim Munir has inspected this helicopter. He flew this helicopter, and I will tell you why Pakistan purchased this helicopter, and also what do we know about Z-10ME or Z-10ME attack helicopter and where it will be used. So far, we do not know exact numbers of these helicopters which were inducted recently, but according to China Morning Post and some other Chinese publications, the number is around 40. So far, 40 attack helicopters have already been inducted. I want to mention here one thing, that in 2020, there was a deal between, it was government to government deal between India and the US government. And according to that deal, India was ready, or India wanted to buy Apache Guardian helicopters from USA. And 6 helicopters were ordered, and India paid $600 million for that, or India was supposed to pay that. And according to that deal, India was supposed to get those helicopters in early 2024, but the first batch of 3 helicopters that India received were on July 22nd. And few days later, like I said in my initial remarks, that Pakistan continues to surprise and shock India, because at that time Pakistan had ordered Turkish locally made helicopters, attack helicopters, AKTAT, something like that, around 30 helicopters. And US, in March 2021, US government blocked the delivery of those helicopters to Pakistan because its engine parts were being made by one of the American companies. According to the deal with American companies, Turkey was not supposed to sell those helicopters to any country until and unless the NOC was issued by US government. And at that time, we all know that there was government of Joe Biden, and that government stopped that delivery. So this is the story behind it, because Pakistan was in need of attacking or attack helicopters. On the other hand, India was getting helicopters from USA. Now, India has received 3 helicopters out of 6, and Pakistan, according to reports, some reports have Pakistan has received 40 helicopters, which will primarily be used against India, obviously, in Kashmir area, because these helicopters are always used, or we are told that these helicopters are used in mountain terrains. According to Chinese defense publications, the speed of helicopter is around 300 kilometers per hour, and it's with a combat radius ranging from 800 to 1120 kilometers, depending on fuel and weapon loads. And according to some of the defense publications of China and some social media reports, this helicopter can be equipped with the surface, air to surface and air to air missile system. Also, it has a state of the art radar system, and it can be or it will be integrated with Pakistan's air defense, and already which Pakistan has or Pakistan is using whatever electronic warfare system or whatever air defense system, so it will be integrated with that system. And ironically, the jet fighter that won Pakistan a war against India is called J-10C, and this one is Z-10ME. In one of my next videos, I will try to draw a comparison between Pakistan's Z-10ME and India's Apache Guardian. Thank you for watching.